Hello kids, today we will learn A to Z number name and color name. Black color, grey color, sky blue color, white color, blue color, purple color, red color, peach pink color, orange color, dark green color, yellow color, brown color, pink color, light green color, orange color. A for apple, A for apple. Purple color, B. B for bear, B for bear. Pink color, C. C for cow, C for cow. Red color, D. D for dog, D for dog. Blue color, E. E for egg, E for egg. Brown color, F. F for fish, F for fish. Yellow color, G. G for grapes, G for grapes. Peach pink color, H. H for hen, H for hen. Dark green color, I. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. Orange color, J. J for jam, J for jam. Purple color, K. K for kangaroo, K for kangaroo. Pink color, L. L for lion, L for lion. Red color, M. M for mango, M for mango. Blue color, N. N for nest, N for nest. Brown color, O. O for orange, O for orange. Yellow color, P. P for pencil. P for pencil. Peace pink color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Dark green color. R. R for rose. R for rose. Orange color. S. S for sun. S for sun. Purple color. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Pink color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Red color. V. V for volcano. V for volcano. Blue color. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Brown color. X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Yellow color. Y. Y for yellow color. Y for yellow color. Peace pink color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Dark green color. 1. Orange color. 2. Purple color. 3. Pink color. 4. Red color. 5. Blue color. 6. Brown color. 7. Yellow color. 8. Peace pink color. 9. Dark green color. 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R S T U V W X Y Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.